myself. My name is Islam, the root word of peace, salam, or even salima, meaning submission, which to a Muslim is like his tuition, it's his ticket in. But before I begin, let me greet you like I'm supposed to do so. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.
Islam ain't about hate, it's about the care, helping your neighbor, being just and fair. Its core is twisted, got the world confused, but the essence of Islam, it's often misused. Peace, love, and respect for all, Islam stands tall, breaking every wall. Unity and mercy, that's the plan. I am an ambassador of peace, understand?
You see, if you look at me and all my obligations, you'll see why I have such a great population. It's because there's that motivation and the sense of inspiration that keeps Muslims as their occupation.
To me, being a good Muslim means being a good person. Because I'll never ask you to slay or to lie at least 5 times a day. I'll never ask you to steal or to hate or to swear or discriminate.
I actually tell you to smile to everyone you see, because a smile is the best form of charity. I tell you not to smoke, not to drink, to take showers and stay clean so you simply don't stink.
I tell you to care for animals and treat them with love. I tell you to treat those who treat you better. I tell you not to be mad at someone for more than 3 days. I tell you to respect women and lower your gaze. I tell you that paradise lies under the feet of your mother. I tell you to passionately love your significant other.
I tell you to never mistreat your wife. I mean, if I tell you to care for animals, then what about the love of your life? I tell you to be precious and save yourself for the one, so you don't keep giving yourself away till you're literally done. I tell you to be moderate, and that balance is key. Just in the middle is the perfect place to be.
I tell you to excel in all that you do, from that essay to that sports too. I tell you to clear your ignorance and to never judge, to love for your bro what you love for yourself and to never hold a grudge. I tell you how to be a good person, a person of peace and a person of love.
Some say it's violence. That's far from the case. Our greeting is salam. It means peace in space. The Quran teaches us mercy. The offense is not the plan. It's the ignorance that divides us, not the command. I teach you kindness. I teach you care. I teach you patience. Life is not unfair.
Women in Islam, they're queens, they're gold, given rights and respect since the days of the old. Hijab's their choice, it's not a cage. It's about modesty, wisdom, and sage. So don't be fooled by the lies they tell. Islam's a gem, it's a wishing well. For every soul, it's a message of grace. Faith for the world, every time, every place. A religion may be perfect, but the followers may not be. So in mine commits mistakes, don't blame it on me.
I give what I got, and what I got is good. So if they do otherwise, they misunderstood. And I'm not here to preach, I'm only here to teach. I'm a professor in politics, economy, and sociology. In manners and etiquette, I got my PhD. To all my teachings, I have 2 sources. The Book of God and the words of Prophet are my resources. I teach for free to whoever desires to learn. It's all for the sake of Allah. I ask for nothing in return.
And listen, I'm not here to convert bushes to clear misconceptions with the way I'm viewed in my common perception. Because yes, it hurts when I'm literally misunderstood by some who just do it in the ignorance just to be amused, and by some who just follow the trend because they are clearly confused.
In a nutshell, my name is Islam, and everything I do goes back to salam, peace. And so, as your prof, I need to make sure you pass this test called life. For Islam illuminates the true art of living. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.